Bros, I know you have been running Facebook ad campaign, and what you actually do is you always click boost post. It is very tempting. I understand. You can't resist that blue button and you always click it. Stop clicking boost post. Stop boosting your post. The only point where you should actually boost a post is when, number one, you've actually set up your ad account properly. Because if you don't set up your ad account properly and you are boosting a post, automatically Facebook will imagine that your ad account is set up properly and it will want to use a postpaid method, and then you are going to have payment decline issues, and when you have that kind of issue, Facebook can actually block your account. So once you've set up your ad account properly, then you can now think of using boost post. The second reason you should be using boost post is when you only want to be getting engagement, because boost post means Facebook boost this post. It doesn't mean Facebook run ad on my product. It doesn't mean Facebook I want to get a sale. It doesn't mean Facebook I want to get a lead. You know, there are many campaign objectives and there are many goals you should be trying to achieve with your campaign. So stop boosting posts. It is an unhealthy way to run ads. Thanks for watching.